no tomorrow.
Okay, number 42. Let me give you the verses, and let me also apologize for not giving you the verses yesterday. I completely forgot about it somehow. I don't know how. I always give the verses, so I don't know how I did that, but anyways, I hope that it's okay. All right, so let me give you the verses for today. I like to give you all these verses. That way, let me get it to lock in there. I like to give you all these verses. That way you can maybe take a screenshot, jot it down. Just that way you can go back and look at these verses throughout your day and just see how the Lord uses them. I just think it's a neat kind of thing to do. All right. Oh, I thought I smeared my lipstick. I felt it. Okay. My peace is like a shaft of golden light shining on you continuously. During days of bright sunshine, it may blend in with your surroundings. On darker days, my peace stands out in sharp contrast to your circumstances. See times of darkness as opportunities for my light to shine in transcendent splendor. I am training you to practice peace that overpowers darkness. Collaborate with me in the training. Do not grow weary or lose heart. Very good. Very good. Okay, let's do the verses. That was a super short devotional today. Super short. Okay. Now may the Lord of peace himself give you peace at all times and in every way. The Lord be with you all. 2 Thessalonians 3:16. Man, that's a good verse. Listen. Now may the Lord of peace himself give you peace at all times and in every way. The Lord be with all of you. All the time and in every way, you can have God's peace. Yes. You can. You just got to look for it. You've got to ask him for it. You've got to look for it. You really have to turn to the Lord. And you will absolutely feel the peace of God over you. Peace that surpasses all understanding. Oh, is that not awesome? Okay. In him was life. And the life was light of men. And the light shines on the darkness, for the darkness has never overpowered it, put it out, or absorbed it, or appropriated it, and is unreceptive to it. John 1:4 and 5. And now that verse was from the Amplified versions, AMP. Okay. Consider him who endures such opposition from sinful men, so that you will not grow weary and lose heart. Hebrews 12:3. That's a good one too. Consider him who endured such opposition from sinful men, so that you will not grow weary and lose heart. Think about what God did for you, how much he loves you. Think about what he went through just for you. He loves us that much. They don't just say Heavenly Father for no reason. God is our Father. He treats us like his children. He loves us everything. I mean, just unconditionally, guys. He loves us no matter what. When you can wrap your head around that part, I promise you, you will find peace. We're not supposed to be perfect. We all sin every day. God knows that. And he still loves us no matter what. And he's still going to work all things for the good. The Bible tells us that. If you're wanting to find the peace that God has in store for you, get closer to God. Get in your word. Get on your knees. All right, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It definitely helps my channel. Don't forget to share this with your friends and family and subscribe. That would be awesome. Plus, hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. All right, guys. Thank you so much for being with me today, and y'all have a blessed day.